Wait, oh, I just thinking of how you can draw WX standard title block. Then you're definitely on the right channel. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll teach you guys how to draw WX standard title block. Alright, let's get to work. So basically, let's say that this is our drawing, okay? You can actually put the title block anywhere, top, front, any side of it, okay? Because sometimes when I actually draw like our title block actually came up towards the top right hand side. So after first start with my border line, I'll be going 10 millimeter or 1 cm, okay? At the same thing. So this part here, now look at what I'm about to do. This line here is already 1 cm, okay? A line. So I just put my ruler and do 1 cm this way, okay? Says 1 cm, okay? Then I'll come down 1 cm, come down to 1 cm, okay? I'll do that, and then with my millimeter rule, I'll draw a straight line. Okay, try to make sure that this your line is straight and is thick, because good outline actually yields good results. This part will also go 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm, okay? Millimeter rule 2, I will, okay, so I forgot to mark this part here, so I'm stopping here 1 cm. So with my millimeter rule, I place and I draw, connecting all the lines together. Okay. Alright. Having done that, I'll move over to the other side, which is this part here. I'll go 1 cm, 1 cm, 2, 1 cm, and then I'll measure 1 cm from on top. Now draw. So basically, the idea of this borderline is that you're going all around the paper 1 cm all around the paper, okay, to get this your borderline. So let's finish the last part of it. So I'll go 1, 1, and 1 cm 2. Meter rule I'll draw, okay. So just to go with a longer meter rule, so I just draw the line once, and you will not have maybe little joints. Okay, so having done that, now we're going to place our borderline, this part of our drawing, okay, at this part here. So I will go with 7, okay, go with 7 millimeter up, mark that point 7, then I'll go 1 millimeter each, so I mean 1 cm each, okay, that's 10 millimeter each. On this length side, I'll go 120 millimeter, which is 12 cm, 12 cm, okay. And then I get my set square and I'll place at my 0 point and I'll draw a straight line. That line now, I also measure my 7 cm and then mark 1 cm each. Alright, so I will join those points I marked with a thick pencil. And this pencil I'm using is actually a 5B pencil, which has a very thick lead. I advise you to get this pencil for thick outlines. It's also very good for orthographic, good for loci, good for shape. Anything you need for thick outlines, get B pencil. They are very thick in their lead. So having done that, I also place my meter rule from the starting point here, okay, and then I'll measure 0 and 3 millimeter, 3 centimeter, I mean to say, and then I'll draw it. All right, now take and pay good attention to this part. Now if you can check, I've changed the pencil, okay, because it's a more lighter pencil. So I'll go 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.5, 0 0.8, again 0 0.2, 0 0.5, 0 0.8, 0 0.2, 0 0.5, 0 0.8. These lines or this marking helps in our lettering line. It helps to guide our lettering, okay. So I'll do that 0 0.2, 0 0.5, 0 0.8 for each of the 1 cm row that we have, okay. I've done for the left hand side, I'll do the same for the right hand side for equality. 0 0.2, 0 0.5, 0 0.8. So if you're still watching the video up to this moment, I believe you're enjoying this content. And if you're enjoying, why not give us a thumbs up? Like this video. Listen, whenever you like a video, it helps the algorithm to push this content to more audience like you that might actually be in need of it. So please like this video, okay? And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Now I'll be joining 0 0.2, 0 0.2, 0 0.5, 0 0.5 points and 0 0.8, 0 0.8, okay? Just calm down, you will get it. So that's what I'm basically doing. 0.2 to 0.2. Now if you look at now, this line I'm drawing now are very faint. That's why I changed the pencil, okay? I'm using a very faint line. Please take note of that. This line are our lettering line that we'll use to write the details of title block. Alright, I still have other videos on title block and borderline. I'll drop a description in the description part of this video. You can watch and learn, or maybe in the pinned comment section. So guys, remember, after watching, get to the comment section and say something. Just comment on this video. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you actually found this helpful. Now I'm going to place my name, candidate number, school, title, drawing number, and then my exam subject. I also put the dates too. This is basically how you can draw WAEC standard title blocks and borderline. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next episode. Bye for now.